I'm sure you've heard the news. Sneezing can be dangerous. Yep, it's true. About 1% of Americans, roughly 3.3 million people, hurt themselves sneezing every year. Think of it like this. That's more people than the entire population of Utah. You might be thinking, how can a simple achoo cause harm? Well, sneezing can lead to muscle strains, back or neck pain, and even more serious stuff like herniated discs or rib fractures. It's especially risky if you've got pre-existing conditions. But don't worry, most of these injuries are pretty rare. Just remember to sneeze mindfully. Yes, that's a thing. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out gently. Your body will thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and may your sneezes be kind.